Today I'm going to go down to the hardware store, get some chicken wire, and make a stand for the chicken's food and water. Come check it out. So today we're going to build a little stand that the water and the feed will go on top of. So what'll happen many times is the chickens, as they eat and drink, they drag on their feet all the pine shavings, dirt, manure, and the likes. And what will happen is that will get into the food and the water and really cause it to expire prematurely. So what we're going to do is build something for them to jump up on, and then manure and everything on their feet to go through the chicken wire. I'll show you. Watch your ears. I'm going to build it 3 feet by 3 feet. Should be a nice square. Should be plenty big enough. Here we go. So now what we're going to do, we've got some here just to let air and stuff to let it dry out. So if we have water or stuff that spills in here, it doesn't just pool in here. It has a place to go. I don't know how helpful it is, but I figure it can't hurt to try, right? So here's our chicken wire, which is going to go over the top of it. If I can get it open. These, they'll last a year or so in the pen, and the chickens kind of wander around in the summertime. So this is mainly just for the winter months while they're stuck inside. So we've got the square up. I'm going to just use a staple gun and staple this down nice and flat. And what will happen is our food and our drink, the fresh water, will go on top of here, so that when the chickens come up on top to drink, they're not going to bring all the shavings into the water. The shavings should fall through this chicken wire into the bottom and keep the water and the food cleaner longer. That's the idea. So here's what it looks like when it's done. And again, there's some air underneath here. Hopefully keep it dry. Chicken wire, and I'll show you actually in the pen what it looks like. I put tape, some industrial tape around the outside, just so they don't get their feet caught on the edges of the chicken wire. They probably wouldn't. It'd probably be okay, but I just don't want to take the chance. So here's what it looks like. We're gonna go put it in the pen. All right, ladies. Make some room. And there's the final result. What it does is allows all the manure and the pine shavings and everything from their feet to fall through the chicken wire to the bottom instead of in the water of the feed, essentially letting the feed and the water last much longer. They seem to like it.